If you have a 9-to-5 job, you're probably wasting at least 1 to 2 hours every day on boring, repetitive tasks like sorting emails, writing reports, or copying data between apps. In this video, I'll show you how to turn those boring tasks into simple AI workflows with zero coding, so they run automatically in the background while you sleep. We're going to build 4 no-code AI workflows step by step: email triage, meeting notes, weekly reports, and content repurposing. I'm from AI Crunch, where we break down the smartest AI tools and how to actually use them in real life. You won't need to write a single line of code. We'll use beginner-friendly tools like Zapier, Make, and ChatGPT to connect the apps you already use. Let's start with the most painful one: your inbox. Workflow 1. Email triage and summaries. 1 down to 40. Workflow 1. AI email triage and daily summary. Problem: your inbox is full of newsletters, CCs, and low-priority emails, and you spend 30 to 40 minutes every morning just figuring out what matters. Here's the workflow. Step 1. In Zapier, choose Gmail as the trigger app and set the trigger to New Email in Inbox. Step 2. Add a filter step so it only runs on emails that match certain rules, like messages to your work address, from your manager, or with keywords like invoice, deadline, or proposal. Step 3. Add an OpenAI or ChatGPT action step in Zapier. Paste this prompt: "You are my email assistant. Read these emails and create a short daily summary and bullet points. What's urgent, what's important, and what can wait. Keep it under 150 words." Step 4. Add a final step that sends the AI summary to you in Slack, Microsoft Teams, or as a single email labeled Daily Summary. Now, instead of opening 20 separate emails, you read one short summary in 3 minutes. Time saved: at least 20 minutes per day, completely on autopilot, no coding. Workflow 2. Meeting notes and action items. 2:44:10. Workflow 2. Automatic meeting notes and action items. Problem: you sit in back-to-back Zoom or Teams calls and then spend another 30 minutes writing notes and trying to remember who agreed to do what. Here's the workflow. Step 1. Create a free account on Otter.ai or Fireflies.ai and connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. Step 2. Turn on the setting that auto-joins all events with Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams links. Step 3. In the Otter or Fireflies settings, enable Summary or Action Items so the AI automatically generates key points and to-dos at the end of each call. Step 4. Connect Otter or Fireflies to Zapier. Set up a Zap. Trigger is New Summary Created. Action is Create Task in your task manager like Todoist, Notion, or Asana. Now, every time you finish a meeting, the AI writes the notes and turns action items into tasks assigned to you or your teammates. Time saved: about 30 minutes per day, and you never forget who owns what. Workflow 3. Weekly report generation. 4 to 10 540. Workflow 3. Automatic weekly reports. Problem: every Friday you copy numbers from spreadsheets or tools into a report for your manager or your clients. It's boring, manual, and easy to mess up. Here's the workflow. Step 1. Put all the key metrics you care about into a single Google Sheet. Things like website visits, leads, sales, hours worked, or content published. Step 2. In Make or Zapier, set up a scheduled trigger. Every Friday at 4 p.m. Step 3. Add a Get Row or Search Rows step to pull the latest numbers from your Google Sheet. Step 4. Add an OpenAI or ChatGPT step with a prompt like, "You are my reporting assistant. Here are this week's metrics. Chanduj, insert numbers." Write a short weekly report in plain English with 3 sections: overview, wins, and next steps. Keep it under 250 words. Step 5. Send the AI-generated report to your email, your manager, or a Slack channel called Weekly Update. Now your weekly report shows up automatically at the same time every week. Time saved: 30 to 45 minutes every Friday, and your reports are clear and consistent. Workflow 4. Content repurposing. 547.10. Workflow. 4. Turn one long piece of content into multiple social posts. Problem: you write a long email, blog post, or record a video, and then never use that content again because it's too much work to repurpose. Here's the workflow. Step 1. Choose a source. This could be a Notion page, a Google Doc, or a YouTube video. Step 2. In Zapier, set the trigger to New Document in Google Docs, New Page in Notion, or New Video on your YouTube channel. Step 3. Add an OpenAI or ChatGPT step with a prompt like, "You are a content repurposing assistant. Turn this content into 5 short social media posts for LinkedIn and 5 short posts for X Twitter." Each post should have a hook, one key point, and a call to action. Step 4. Send the output to a Google Sheet or Notion database where you store your content ideas. Optional step. Connect that sheet to a scheduling tool like Buffer or Hypefury for semi-automatic posting. Now every time you publish something long form, you instantly get 10 short social posts you can schedule in minutes instead of writing from scratch. The big idea here is that you don't need to be a developer to build powerful automations. Email triage, meeting notes, weekly reports, and content repurposing are all boring, repeatable tasks that follow the same pattern every time. Once you turn them into no-code AI workflows, they run quietly in the background and give you hours back every single week. Comment below which workflow you're going to build first, or tell me what boring task you want to automate next, and I might turn it into a full video. And if you want more ideas, watch my video on the best AI tools for 2025 next. I'll link it on screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.